Hello everyone. Welcome to Channel Nitrix. We will open the box of the awaited AYANEO SLIDE handheld gaming PC, which comes with the flagship AMD 7840U processor. We begin by opening the box of the device, and as usual, we find the instruction booklet and instructions about the device. The device comes with a 65-watt USB Type-C charger with all the various connecting parts. The device weighs 647 grams. We will compare the AYANEO SLIDE device with the leading handheld devices in terms of size and external designs. The AYANEO SLIDE was designed in response to the fun experience of slide-based handheld PC devices of the past. AYANEO SLIDE carefully developed the automatic spring slide structure to achieve stepless adjustment of the sliding handheld device, taking into account the slide's comfort and stability. Just gently push the screen. Open or pull out with ease, and enjoy a smooth pushing experience all the way to the end. The innovative automatic spring slide structure also allows AYANEO SLIDE to support adjustable screen angle. The screen can hover freely within the range of 10 to 30 degrees, adapting to the needs of use in different scenarios, and solving the problem of the fixed screen angle of previous slide handheld devices. The resulting pain points of screen reflections and the need to frequently adjust usage postures provide players with a convenient and natural screen experience. To prevent accidental damage, the screen of AYANEO SLIDE will automatically reset to a horizontal position at a random angle within the range of 0 to 10 degrees to ensure that the screen slides on a horizontal plane. Continuing AYANEO's consistent pursuit of the ultimate screen, AYANEO SLIDE is equipped with a 6-inch 1080p high brightness wide color gamut IPS original color screen. From display fineness to brightness and color performance, it is still the industry's best. It can be called the best among 6-inch Windows handheld computers screen. Not only that, the AYANEO SLIDE screen adopts a floating design, coupled with extremely high screen quality and multi-angle hover design. It can provide players with stunning visual enjoyment. Customized RGB standard character full-function keyboard AYANEO SLIDE. The full keyboard hidden under the screen adopts a standard character layout, so there is no need to readjust your usage habits. The addition of the FN key can expand the common functions of the conventional keyboard, such as the numeric keypad and other commonly used office shortcut keys.